So before we begin, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Teacher Jess. I'm a homeschool mom. And here are my 3 kids. They also love art. That's Chloe, Hatley, and Theo. We like to paint at home. We do that almost every day. So let's begin. So today we will draw things that we can find from the stories of Harold. We're going to use this book called Harold's Fairytale. Harold's Fairytale by Crockett Johnson. I have 2 Harold books with me. The other one is Harold Circus. We're also going to get some drawing subjects from this book. The first one we're going to use is this book, Harold's Fairytale. I'm so excited to show you how. And so, what do you need? For this drawing session, just grab hold of your purple pens or violet pens. So, I have in here a marker, purple colored pencil, and an oil pastel. Okay? So, you can see it clearly. I'm going to use my marker. So let's begin. So here's Harold on my left side drawing something. And let's see, what is he gonna draw? See how he drags his pen along the space there? There's a moon. Let's draw the moon. So it's like a letter C with a bit of curve like that. Okay? So in this story, Harold is walking along an enchanted garden. Maybe he imagines there's a castle. I'm going to draw a castle. So a line. And a line going to the right. Another line going down. Another line like that. So we're drawing this part here. Then down, right, up, right, down, right, up, right, down. So there's 4. And here we're gonna do a curve like that. Doesn't have to look exactly the same. Okay? And then we're gonna close it up at the bottom and just draw 2 lines for the windows. And in the middle there's another row of the same shape or line. Take your time doing this part. Okay. And again, we're gonna draw one more like this. See, mine doesn't look exactly the same, and that's okay. And some windows. And then there's one in the middle, see? So we're gonna draw that here. That's a teeny tiny one. And curve, curve, and one window. Now we already have the moon there, so just close the base part. There, we have a castle. So my line got cut off, but I drew this big draw gate. It's a big upside down U with crisscross lines. Okay. So Harold saw a big mouse. Who is bigger, Harold or the mouse? Okay, so let's draw the face of the mouse. This part has a pointed face and some big ears. 1, another 2, the back of his head. His body is kind of triangular. So 1, 2, and his legs is like a letter C again. His feet and a swirly tail. His eyes, that. See, that's the small mouse, a big mouse. But there's a mouse hole here. Okay, I think that's is where the mouse will go, making it dark. So for Harold Circus, let's find some things to draw. Let's try this elephant. So it's got a hat. Right down, line going to the right. And his face is like a slide that goes down. So down. And look at the tip of his nose. Kind of like there's number 3 there, right? And then up. And his mouth is wide open. That because he's eating a peanut. So what's missing? His eye. His eye and eyebrow. And he's looking down at Harold. Now let's try to draw a circus horse. So if you look at the horse, it doesn't really look like a real horse, but it does look like a horse. Okay, that's Harold's style of drawing. So it's got mostly curves around the body and some square hooves. Let's start with the face, this round part here. And the ear. So we're going down the back and down the neck part, and another curve for the front legs, and a bump for the tummy. Okay, so there are 4 legs, and lines for the hair or mane, and a smiley face. Okay, now we're gonna do it one more time. So make sure you have enough space on your paper. Let's start with the face and a curved line. The legs. I'm going too fast. Sorry. Just hit pause anytime. Okay. This is a cute looking horse. Here. And I'm gonna try it one last time. Curve for the face, going down for the neck, another curve for the front legs, bump for the tummy, and curves for the legs, and going back up to the ear part there, and lines again for the mane and tail, and eye, and a smiling face. Next up, party hat and a cannon. So this is fairly easy. It's just a triangle with some fluff on top. And here's a cannon with a wheel. Now we are gonna draw a lion, but we're not gonna put him in a cage, okay? So it's got a curved nose. Make sure you have enough space on your paper. This is a big one. I don't think I have enough space here, but let's try. So I'm gonna draw the face, letter C for the big mouth. Okay, and we're gonna draw the spiky mane. There, some zigzaggy lines, and the eye, and a bumpy nose, and his sharp teeth, and his body. I think he's got a star, the tip of his tail. And yeah, his front leg and hind legs. There. Mine looks funny, but he's cute, right? Now let's draw little Harold next. Let's get a round head. Start with our circle and a bumpy nose. So he's got a cute smile. And of course he's holding a purple crayon. Okay. So just look at his legs, they're curvy too. Is now drawing a staircase. How many steps do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So start with a line, that, and another line to the right, down, right, down, right. And let's close this all to the way there, all the way there, and down. So now you have a staircase. Okay, so Harold made a really tall staircase. Holding a scepter, like a wand. It's got a tiny crown there with a circle. So Harold drew a clock because he wanted to know what time it was. He should be getting home by now. So let's draw a circle. Now for the circle, that can be a bit tricky. So if you have any round things at home, like what's this? Cover. Round one. You can use to trace around that circle thing you have. You can get a cup without the water, of course, or a coin, or any round thing. So you can draw your circle. And then just draw 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9. There should be 12, but that's okay. So that looks like a clock. So there's a giant witch next. It's got a pointed hat, a triangle hat. So there's a line going up like that. Now let's draw the face. She's looking there, right? So from the hat, let's go down, make a pointed nose. There. Draw the eyes and the hair. Okay. And sad face. There's the witch. let's draw the body of the witch. Okay, mine won't fit, so I drew her body small, like that. So Harry drew a bonfire. So let's draw the wooden sticks. These are like rectangles. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this is the fire and the smoke. Okay, so that's your fire. And then there's rain. Soon there were flowers. So it's around. So that's how Harold drew his flowers. You can draw your flower in any style that you like. Okay, let's draw one more. This looks like a sun. Yeah. So, wait. Something magical happened. The flowers that he drew turned into a fairy. A lovely fairy. So let's make one flower again. But this time it has to have a dress, face, and a hand with a wand. And she has some legs. There. That looks like a fairy. You can turn your flowers into a fairy. Oh, the wand has some sparkly things there. Let's draw our wand again. Line and flick your pen. That. See? Let's try it one more time. The wands are fun to draw. So draw a line and flick your pen in all directions like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See? It looks like it has light going out, like magic. Let's try that one more time. 1, 2, flick, 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 flick. That was fun. Yay! That ends our drawing session for today. I hope you all enjoyed. I did have a lot of fun. Please do share your drawings in our Facebook group, God's Army of Artists, because I'd love to see them all. Here are the things that we drew together. That's a lot of things. Please like and subscribe my channel for more art videos. Thank you! I'd love to see all of your work. Thank you so much, and I hope you can join me again next time. Bye bye!